He can't connect. Yeah, because I was host the last game, Jamie. You go host, Jamie, and then invite us in. He can't connect. Oh my god, Jamie, he can't connect. What do you mean, no? He can't connect, so Jamie, go host. I'll go host then. Well, host then, Jamie, otherwise you forfeit. Change host. He can't connect. He can't connect. Change host. Yeah, by the way, you got till 55 to change host. You got 30 seconds to invite us, mate, otherwise you forfeit. Yeah, you can.